Good morning student, welcome to the 12th standard physics practical verification of Newton's law of cooling. Today we are going to see the experiment Newton's law of cooling. The aim of the experiment is to study the relationship between the temperature and a hot body on time by plotting a cooling graph. So we will see this experiment. So requirement for this experiment apparatus are a colorimeter, a double walled constant temperature enclosed with a thermometer, a stopwatch, an arrangement of heating water stand and etc. This will be the instrument. So what we'll do, we'll first of all we'll see that when a hot body start doing the cooling down, what will be the temperature, or how much temperature will be decreases, and we'll plot the graph regarding that. So it will be the curve graph. Now formula for this, the Newton's law of cooling is given by d theta by dt is directly proportional to theta minus theta 0, where theta minus theta 0 is the small and theta minus theta 0 the k is equal to constant. This value will be the constant. D theta by dt is equal to k, theta minus theta 0, where theta is the temperature of the hot body. So we will be taking the temperature of the hot body. Theta 0 is the room temperature. The room temperature is the temperature where we will calculate. We will minus it. D theta by dt is the rate of the falling of temperature. The fall of the temperature will calculate in the d theta upon dt. So we have this. We will be having the thermometer. Okay, students. Now these are the apparatus. This is the hot water. I have done the hot water about this. This is a stopwatch, and this is a thermometer, and this is a colorimeter. Over here I will pour this hot water. Now before that you need to see one more thing regarding the room temperature. See guys, when I take this thermometer, now I have not put this thermometer in the hot water. If I will put it, the temperature will rise. So I will be having first of all this room temperature. What is the room temperature? As of now it's showing me is 26.5. It's 26.5. So this temperature may be varies. Actually now it's a cooling cold atmosphere, so that's why the temperature 26.5. Maybe at your practical exam it will be arise by 3-4 degrees. It might be 30, 31, 32. So you need to write it. So in your practical book, temperature of the surrounding theta 0 is nothing but 26.5. That is a room temperature. Least count of stopwatch. Now this is a least count. 0.5 second is the least count, and least count of the thermometer also 0.5 degrees Celsius. Minus or plus, it may be varies from temperature to temperature. So clear. So now what I will do, I will pour this hot water in this instrument. Now I have poured this. Now we will wait, the temperature rises. Now it is rising. It was 26, now it's come to the 45, 49, 50. Has been reached to the maximum temperature. Now over there it's not been increasing. So what I will do, I will note down this temperature and I will start with the stopwatch. Now I adjust to the 0, then the stopwatch is started. Now at the time of every 1 minute interval will take a readings. Now students, come here. We'll be having a observation table. See, observation number 1, time in minute 0. So maximum temperature at the 0, we recorded the 56 degrees Celsius. So it was a 56 degrees Celsius. After 1 minute, it may fall to 55.5. In this fashion, we need to take till 30 minutes intervals, or you may take for the 27, 28 or 29. I have taken till 27. So every 1 minute 0.5 degree is been decreased. So we'll see now observation number 2, 1 minute the temperature will come down to the 50.5. So we have observed one thing in this, that on every minute, 2 minutes 54.5, 3 minutes 54, 4 minutes 53.5, 5 minutes 53. So in each and every interval of 1 minute, there is a decrease of 5 degrees Celsius. So this is called as a Newton's law of cooling. It has been decreasing. When you plot a graph of this, the graph will be in the curved direction. It will be in the curved direction. I'll show you. It will be in. It will be in this fashion. It will be in this way. It will be decrease, fall of temperature. So the temperature will go in a downwards. It will be in the curved direction. On the basis of this, we will plot again one graph that will become a straight line. The calculation is that theta minus theta 0 will take a random readings over here, which will be a d theta degree Celsius. It will be minus by d theta, then d theta minimum 4, and d theta by dt is nothing but degree Celsius. It will come to the 0.5. So we have taken the 5 readings. This will come in the straight line. This graph will come in the straight line. It will be in the straight line. As far as we have seen, it is decreased by 0.5. 2-3 things you are supposed to write in your journal. You are going to write observation that frequency of temperature of the surrounding theta 0 is nothing but 26.5 degrees Celsius. Least count of a stopwatch. The least count of a stopwatch is a 0.5 second. And least count of a thermometer is nothing but 0.5 degrees Celsius. However, we have seen the results are the nature of a graph of a temperature theta against the T is a curve. It is known as a Newton's law of cooling. This cooling curve will be a step at the first, but will become the less step at the temperature to the temperature of the surrounding. Second, as a graph d theta by dt against theta minus theta 0 is a straight line passing through again the rate of the cooling of directly proportional to the excess temperature over the surrounding. This verifies Newton's law of cooling. Hence the experiment is proof.